Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time for StringTechWorkstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have two K&K Mini installs today. Now, a lot of the guys with the boutique guitars, boy, this is what they're going for now. And everyone is impressed with the results of this type of system. I mean, it's like you've got three little mini stethoscopes picking up two strings at a time. So we're going to show you this install. First of all, we have our typical jack that tightens from the outside. I've already adjusted this for the proper depth. Let's go over to the guitar and feed this into place. Here's one more example of a low-tech solution. This is basically a 1/4-inch dowel. You get a bag of them at the dollar store for $1. I feed that through the hole that's already there in the tail block from the last system that was in here. I'm essentially feeding that like so, right, from the inside of the guitar. So we just push that, index that into the actual input jack. Now, for all of the latest TechDeck owners that ordered their units and have received them recently, I want to take a minute and sort of explain why I'm setting this guitar up the way it's set up. Both guitars, of course, are set up the same way. The Yari guitar is also getting that K&K system. So we'll start off by discussing the body platform. This is a very light guitar, by the way, very delicate. It is not held with clamps. There are no clamps to be seen. So we use either a leather or a canvas strap that's supplied with the TechDeck when you buy it. And we create a hoop that basically catches the lower bout. The body is supported underneath with two leather rails that kind of run on an angle similar to the proportions of the lower bout to the upper bout. That's how the body is held. Between this upper neck strap, Velcro, and the hoop that I just explained, everything's kind of held in place firmly but gently. What I have here, of course, is a capo. So when I'm doing this job, I'm doing the same job on both guitars, so I'm taking the same approach. We'll take these bridge pins out. I get these snap shut containers at the dollar store. You get about, I think you get 8 of them for $1.25. So that just keeps those pegs together, and I keep them stored here, ready to snap up and go when we need them. This is the trough at the base of the body platform. So same deal for Tom's guitar. We'll loosen those strings off. I kind of pull up on that string as I loosen it off. That does two things. It loosens it on this side of the capo and keeps it tight around the post on this side. So the capo is about the heaviest clamp you'll see me use to hold the guitar.